how to create a project on Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a project on Yelp, and here is how to go about it. Now, the first thing to do to create a project is that you would have to log in into Yelp as a business owner. This is because only business owners are eligible to create projects on Yelp. So log in into your Yelp account if you don't have a business already, and then move to the top part of the screen where you can see Yelp for business. Click on it. You can either click on add a business, or you can click on login to business account. So whichever one. For example, if you don't have a business account, click on add a business, and then a business page would be displayed for you. So after creating your business or adding up your business on Yelp, the next thing to do is that you would have to type in your business name, your business not listed at Yelp for free, fill out your business details, all of that. And then once it is done, the next thing to do is to now go to the projects page. Okay, then the next to do is to go to the projects page. By moving to the top right corner, click on your um profile icon, and then click on project. After you have logged in into Here for Business, note that. So after you've logged in into your business, your project page, then you'll see different project ideas, and here you can easily create, manage, and organize all your request a quote and request a call details in one place. Now, to create a project, the next thing you will do is to request quotes through Yelp for your specific project. Move to the right side, click on get quotes, and then you have to choose a category. Okay, just go ahead and choose a category depending on what you want. All right, and then after that, select the kind of services you need. Just follow through all of the prompts, and then once you're done, your project tab would be managed by Yelp by itself. And then here on this page also, you can view and respond to messages from service professionals. Keep track of multiple project statuses, including unread messages and pending replies, and then swiftly respond to your businesses. So first of all, you just have to fill in all of this, okay? Just fill in all of it in order to create your um to create your projects, and then you can see you are good to go, just like that. So that is it. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.